She's gonna make Nanny do it. Kinsley, you do it. You do it. Good job, Nanny. Okay, your turn, Kinsley. She's concentrating so hard.
Am I going to have to do this all night?
Kinsley, your turn. You do it.
The faces you make are worth.
Kinsley, you do it.
I'm going to take you home with me to keep me amused.
Oh! Look at her hands.
It's your turn.
She's crisscrossing her hands. Kinsley, you do it. And she's off.